Hello coin engineers, now I'm going to update you with the news coming from StepApp application, and there will be news about app preview, private beta whitelist, and also Lootbox. And I will start from the Lootbox. Guys, it has been released who has picked their loot boxes. And now this is the list of the things. I will share this link right on the description bar, and because of heavy traffic it's not really easy to open and check it out. You can check it out yourself. By the way, let's do some analysis. For 43 drop tickets, he had 43 lottery tickets, no loot boxes. And for 69 drop tickets, people only had one loot box. And as we have mentioned in our previous videos, the more DTs you have, the higher chances you will have to be able to pick more loot boxes. If you had 700 DT, you only had one box, and it seems like it's very rare to be able to pick your loot box. Interesting. Okay, the other step will be this. To be part of the beta app selection phase, we have to simply connect our wallet on the KCAL pre-sign up page. Which page was it? As you remember, we clicked on try app previous time, we clicked on go to app, and after that you will be seeing a screen like this. When will this be available? At the end of the week, so which is like Friday. By the way, the priority will be given to the wallets that are detected as FitFi token stakers. If you've staked your FitFis, you will be eligible to have your beta app whitelist. And also, Lootbox round 2 has already begun. It was a few days ago, and drop tickets are occurring on your wallet too. Hopefully, we are going to make some nice money these days. Hopefully, with the DT, you had some loot boxes. Hopefully, you will be having your shoes as fast as it can be. Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.